What are you looking for?
Oh, something to sit on.
It can't be a stupid design. It's Cub Cadet, a huge mower company.
Right.
That is definitely their own company and not bought out by some notorious piece of junk. Spooling up. Do you feel air going in?
Problem is, I don't know if it is going on. Oh, I guess it was.
Mm-hmm.
I'm probably gonna need some kind of spray bottle.
To see if it's leaking air?
Yeah, I need to create a seal.
Man, it is so hot outside already. Freaking way too hot. Good old Cub Skadoodle. We bought this Cub Cadet, not knowing that Cub Cadet had been bought out by some cheap brand. I can't remember the name right now, that Sears used to sell or something. So, yeah. So everybody's drives are going out, and they're wondering why, because they think Cub Cadet's a good brand, but they're not anymore. This mower right here is why we got that old heap of junk over there. A friend gave it to us because this thing basically gave out at on his yard on a slight hill, so we I don't know, but that thing needs a carburetor and we need to cut our grass, so we're gonna try to limp this thing along to just cut our grass at least. That's the cleanest that tire's ever been.
Yeah.
Squirt some inside and then should probably be good.
There's that. It's alright.
Do what? You're gonna make a new hole?
No, I'm just making sure I got the same.
Oh. Nah, I just feel like making a new hole.
Oh dear God.
What in the world?
My guess is it's melting from the heat.
Probably. That's crazy. I mean, I don't know why it's not even hot out here.
Kidding.
These are the exact same tires, I think, that we did this to on Wesley's quad. Like I said, we needed to use 8 plugs. Got it?
I'm gonna leave it there.
Yeah, that's fine. Uh-oh. Okay, yep. Looks good. And then just let it dry and cut it.
I guess it looks good.
I don't hear it, so.
It's like a hot mess is what it looks like.
Well, you cut it off. You're supposed to cut it off when it dries. Woo! That took way too long to get the freaking tire plugged up, but anyway. That front tire was the biggest pain in the ass. It debeaded somehow, just freaking caught part of the trailer and ripped right off. Pulling it off at that client I was talking about. And, well, anyway, that'll be the end of this video. I need to weed eat, and then I need to DoorDash, and yeah, save up for an RV so we can get the hell out of here. I will freaking see you in the next video, okay?